everybody and welcome to my channel Melmii Food and Lifestyle. Melmii, it's me. Come join me today and let's cook together one nice dinner recipe. I know it's Valentine's Day coming and maybe you want to surprise your partner, husband or yourself. Here is one of my recipe for duck. I love duck. So I'm gonna serve it with some sweet potato puree, cherries, red wine sauce and bok choy. Let's cook together this amazing dinner. Come with me. For the ingredients you need: 2 duck breast fillet, about 300 grams, 500 milliliters of cold water, 50 grams of salt, 1 sweet potato, about 350 grams, 50 grams of butter, 100 milliliters of milk, 2 bok choy, about 100 grams, 4 garlic cloves, 200 grams of red wine sauce, 70 grams of frozen cherries, salt and pepper, 20 grams of chicken fond, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some olive oil. For cleaning the duck fillet, take your fillet, put the skin on the table. First remove this part that's always more loose from the rest. Then gently, very thinly, remove the tough membrane part of the fillet. If there's any extra fat or tougher parts, just try to remove it with a very sharp knife, very thinly. Avoid cutting off extra meat. Then all the overlapping skin, just cut it straight down in straight line and avoid cutting in angle. Repeat this cutting until it's all evenly cut. Turn the fillet over and from the skin side with a sharp knife, cut through the fat like this, but make sure not to cut through the meat. You only need to cut the skin. Turn the fillet and from the other side repeat like this. Avoiding the deep cuts because otherwise your meat will be overcooked and dry. And repeat the same cut for the other fillet. For making the 10% water solution, just add 500 milliliters of water and 50 grams of salt in a bowl and mix it together very well so that all salt is dissolved. This is very good for the duck breast to stay juicy and well seasoned, so you don't need to add the salt later. Leave it in the marination for about an hour before frying it, and it will guarantee you always a well seasoned, evenly seasoned duck fillet. For making the sweet potato puree, peel your sweet potato, remove all the dark bits, then cut it in half and cut into smaller, even pieces. The smaller pieces you cut, the faster it will cook. Put your sweet potato pieces into the pot and cover with water and Boil around 30 minutes and they are totally soft and smushy. Add your butter and your milk. Use the hand blender and make it into very smooth puree. Take your duck fillets out from the salt water, pat it down, and place it skin down on a cold pan. Cold pan is necessary for the fat to start melting very slowly, and you want to get rid of the fat skin as much as possible. Then turn up the heat and let the skin start to get hotter and melting more. The main side for cooking on the pan is the skin side. So after cooking it with the skin about 3 to 4 minutes, turn the fillet around and cook it around 1 minute on the other side. Finish it off by putting it into the air fryer or in the oven for 200 degrees around 6 to 7 minutes. Today I am making it well done, so I will cook it for 9 minutes. For the sauce, you can always make the red wine sauce yourself, but this time I am using the ready-made red wine sauce. I am just tasting it a little bit before changing and personalizing it with some cherries and some extra chicken stock. For making the garlic oil for bok choy, start by cleaning the garlic cloves. Press it down gently with your knife. Remove the skin and chop it into very small pieces. Place your garlic into a small bowl and add some olive oil that you're gonna use later for frying the bok choy. Start preparing your bok choy by cutting it into half. Place it on a plate and season it with some salt and cover it up with the garlic oil. This will give a very nice garlicky flavor when you start frying it. Heat the pan and place your bok choy the cut side down. Cover the pan with lid. Turn the heat down to medium and let it steam a little bit the bok choy. After this, turn the bok choy around, and for adding the extra color for the bok choy, turn up the heat and add your soy sauce and let them get nice and brown. When the duck is ready to rest for a few minutes before cutting it, for avoiding all the juices to run out. For plating your duck, start with the sweet potato puree, place it in the center of the plate and with a spoon make it a nice round. Repeat it on the second plate. On top of the sweet potato puree, place your cut duck nicely in the center. On the sides, place your bok choy, one on one side and the other on the other side. Make sure it's nice and clean so you don't get very messy with it. And on top, finish it off with some nice juicy cherries from the sauce. Place it evenly around the dish for the sour taste. And finish it off with 2 spoons of nice juicy red wine sauce on top of the duck. Garnish with some pea shots and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Ring the bell, subscribe and like the video. Bye!